very warm welcome to Indus TV. Today is going to be a special program. Today's program is going to be a celebration of life. Celebration of life, Sushant Singh. Indus TV wanted to do this special edition because we love to celebrate lives, especially if a person is gone early. We definitely want to remember and celebrate his best memories. So my name is Usha and with me is Pia.
Hi Usha, how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you? Been long?
Yes, it has been a long time. So how are you doing?
I'm doing good. Hanging in there.
Hanging in there?
Yes. So Pia and I are going to be chatting about Sushant Singh, and we're going to be celebrating his best memories in his life.
Absolutely. I think that's the best way to go and, celebrate the positivity and the best memories.
Yep.
So, Usha, talking about Sushant Singh, how did you get to watch, him?
Actually, talking about Sushant Singh, I didn't know Sushant. I knew Manav.
Aww.
Oh my God, I knew Manav and Archana. I'm talking about Pavitra Rishta.
Yes.
It's that TV serial that got me. I fell in love with that couple. Cute, chota sa ghar in Mumbai, and their own cute ways of falling in love with each other every day. It was so beautiful. And Manav and Archana, like lovely love story. And I think everybody that watched Pavitra Rishta,
and I think it was like a common man's story. That's how most of the people in Mumbai are,
Yeah.
That's how it was.
Yes, yeah.
And I think it was
Kaam se ghar, wo
ghar.
khana banaye, and all that kind of stuff.
And it was like very nice, that Marathi kind of a family, and with Ai and everything in there.
Oh
and
my
I used to be so cute.
Ai too, yes. So I think that's how, I knew Sushant. And I never knew him as Sushant, Manav.
Right.
But I got so heartbroken, Pia.
Why?
When he left Pavitra Rishta?
Oh my God. I think it was in 2011. He left Pavitra Rishta just for the Bollywood because he wanted to take an acting course.
True.
So he left. But you don't have to feel sad. He left for something good.
आसमान में जब तक सितारे रहेंगे, आसमान में जब तक सितारे रहेंगे, हम एक दूसरे के सहारे रहेंगे। नजदीकियां क्या हो दूरियां, बस प्यार ही रहेगा दरमियां। राहों में नहीं धूप का हम, ठंडी छाया देगा हरदम। पवित्र रिश्ता, पवित्र रिश्ता, तेरे मेरे मन का।
But Pia, talking about Pavitra Rishta, I was so upset.
Why?
When he left, Manav was not in Pavitra Rishta. His role was taken by somebody else.
But Usha, you need to realize he left for better stuff, right?
वो तो है. Actually, yes, that's true, right? And he left for Bollywood.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. He did leave for Bollywood and he went to do some acting course.
Right.
It was somewhere abroad only.
Yep.
He went to do an acting course.
Acting course kiya, and then he moved into like a nice movie, Kai Poche.
Yes.
Kai Poche was like such a hit. He actually got an award. He got an award. The first debut, he got an award, and he actually did a role with 3 other guys.
Absolutely.
Right?
He was one of the 3 leads and he was one of the ex-cricketer.
Yes, actually
In the
that's
movie.
right. Yeah, it was he played the role of an ex-cricketer, and I think Kai Poche, he showed his promising talent.
I honestly tell you that when I watched Kai Poche, I think he was flawless.
Yeah.
He really was flawless, even though it was his first movie, even though he had done TV before, but still he was flawless.
Yeah, and actually we have a clip here that talks about his relation and conversation of him with his father, and that deep conversation, the acting skills that he had. We definitely need to see that clip. So in Kai Poche, we actually got to see the promising talent Sushant Singh had in Bollywood. And there's a lovely scene in that movie of a father and son and the conversation and the depth of his feelings that were emoted on the screen. We should definitely take a watch. So let's watch that particular scene.
बॉस ये हेडलाइट लटक रहा है
क्या है?
साले लैंसर नहीं छट्टी वाला पै 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 कैसे बजा रहा था बोल हाँ बात सुन दोबारा इस फोड़ में दिखा ना तेरे पीछे से ऐसा हॉर्न बजाऊंगा ना साले घुटनों पे कर जाएगा क्या हो रहा है क्या हुआ बे क्या रखा है छोड़
आखिर क्या हुआ क्या है?
विद्या को परेशान कर रही है सॉरी बोल रहे हैं चल बेटा बाबूजी उनको भी सॉरी बोल सॉरी
तू कब बोलेगा? कब बोलेगा सॉरी तू अपने बाप को? बैठा है ना पिछले 2 साल से बेकार घर पर, अब निकला है बाकी की दुनिया को ग्रामर समझाने।
क्या देख रहे थे? हाँ? पिक्चर चल साले। चल हो गया। चलो भाई।
काका बस ऐसे ही भटकेल की तरह दिन भर टीवी के सामने बैठे रहो और फिर आना केबल के पैसे लेने के लिए बाप के पास। ऐसे ऐसे धंधा करने वाले हो तुम लोग।
काका निकलती उस लड़की की वो रोज आता है।
तीनों एक दूसरे की तरफदारी करते रहते हो, कोई किसी काम का नहीं है। चल ला मेरा चेक।
काका प्लीज
चेक लाओ आप प्लीज।
काका प्लीज काका ये फ्यूचर है हमारा काका प्लीज सॉरी बोल प्लीज दुकान से जाएगी सॉरी बोल दो प्लीज काका सॉरी बोलेगा सॉरी बोल नहीं चाहिए इनके पैसे ये तू काका
To PS, so the wonderful journey of Bollywood began, and I think this is your favorite movie. We're going to be talking about Shuddha Desi romance.
Yes,
ये शुद्ध देसी का romance था. So what did you think of the movie?
बिल्कुल जितना उसका नाम है, I think उतना ही शुद्ध movie was there. You know, it was really, really beautiful.
Right.
And I think his acting was flawless in the movie. And it was, yes, it was about the younger generation, their commitments, live-in relationship, and, you know, having especially the love marriages and stuff like that.
Right.
So that's what the movie was about. But I think it was a real good movie, and his acting was really good, and the way it was shot in Rajasthan.
Oh yes. Oh
And,
my gosh.
And the thing was that Rishi Kapoor was in the movie too.
Oh yes. Yep.
He was the event planner in the
Yeah.
movie, and where he was planning basically a wedding
Yeah.
and stuff like that. And Vani Kapoor was there in the movie, and
Yeah.
I think it was really an awesome movie. And मैं तो कभी भी उस movie को, you know, over and over again.
Parineeti Chopra is so cute. She's so cute, and his dimples. I loved all the scenes in it, and when he smiled, आँखों से smile करता है. You know, it's like beautiful.
I honestly feel he has those, you know, sparkling eyes.
Yes.
And they're kind of वो बिल्कुल वो चमकती हैं.
Yes.
Kind of.
Definitely. शुद्ध देसी romance था. So it was a beautiful movie.
Very beautiful, very
Yes.
cute movie,
Yep.
and very nice movie.
Yep.
Yes. So Usha, you know, talking about Shuddha Desi romance, can we watch that favorite song of mine? You know what I'm talking about.
I know the title song. Yeah,
Yes.
let's watch it.
Yes.
चार कदम बस चार कदम चल दो ना साथ मेरे. Oh my gosh, such a beautiful song, such a beautiful movie. Absolutely loved it, and it was one of the highest grossing releases for him.
Absolutely, and I think even though his like role was very tiny in there, but it was really, really a good role for him, and he did very well in it.
So, and with Anushka. Anushka, she has already gotten her stake in Bollywood. To be acting with her was
Absolutely.
amazing for him. And he was so natural.
And even I think for Sushant Singh Rajput, you know, coming from stellar performances, one after another, MS Dhoni, Kai Poche, you know, all of those, I think, and it was just a small role for him.
Yes.
But it was really good.
Yeah, he did a great job, and lovely, lovely scenes in that movie. And then we're actually going to roll on to another beautiful scene in that movie. Remember that one? It was when they actually meet in the. I think it's almost at the end of the movie, but I think we should watch that again. And like we say, we're celebrating Sushant's life, so we should celebrate that memory as well. So let's look at that one tiny scene where they meet again.
हेलो
जनाब सरफराज यूसुफ,
जी सलाम वालेकुम।
आप कहाँ से बोल रहे हैं?
जी मैं लाहौर से। क्यों?
इस वक्त आप कहाँ से बोल रहे हैं?
जी मैं अपने घर पे हूँ। क्यों?
आपके आसपास कोई कुर्सी या बेंच है? अगर है तो प्लीज बैठ जाएं। आपको झटका लगने वाला है, गिर जाएंगे।
माफ कीजिएगा, मैं कुछ समझा नहीं।
आपके लिए दिल्ली से फोन है। लीजिए, बात कीजिए।
हेलो जग्गू। हेलो हेलो जग्गू, सब खैरियत तो है? हेलो,
तुम आए थे मैरिज रजिस्ट्रार के ऑफिस में?
आया था, लेकिन तुम वहां से जा चुके थे।
फोन क्यों नहीं किया?
कैसे करता? तुम्हारा खत मिला था, तो तुमने लिखा था कि मुझे कांटेक्ट मत करना। मुझे पता था कि तुम्हारी फैमिली का बहुत प्रेशर है तुम पे, पर पता नहीं क्यों मुझे ऐसा लगता था जग्गू कि एक ना एक दिन तुम मुझे जरूर कांटेक्ट करने की कोशिश करोगी। बहुत वक्त लगा दिया यार जग्गू फोन करने में।
जब सुशांत सिंह के बारे में बात होती है तो पहले याद आती है MS धोनी।
Absolutely.
MS Dhoni, the untold story. Amazing work, yaar. He's such a perfectionist. He actually followed MS Dhoni. Actually, इसके बारे में बात करने के पहले, there's one small tidbit that I actually caught from an interview recently, that he was actually early 2000s. I mean, it's so tough, right? Trying to get a picture with MS Dhoni, how difficult is it, right? He actually kept trying and trying to get a family picture with MS Dhoni. And एक छोटा सा picture उसने कहीं कुछ function में लिया था MS Dhoni के साथ. So he was saying कि, you know, I was such a big fan of MS Dhoni, and for me to be playing MS Dhoni was amazing.
And
What
you
did
know,
you
I
think?
feel, Usha, you know, cricket, सबको गली का cricket सबको खेलना आता है, but to play this real cricket.
Exactly.
And he wanted to. In
Yeah.
his, you know, I had read 50 things to do, like he has on a piece of paper, which is circulating on internet nowadays.
Right.
50 things. Usme one was cricket, and he wanted to play it at a different way. He wanted to do it left-handed batsman.
Oh, wow.
That's what he wanted to do.
And the helicopter shot. So MS Dhoni is famous, right, for the helicopter shot. So him learning the helicopter shot to the T, right? It was amazing. Yeah.
Yes.
Even for me, I shouldn't say that too loud, but I don't follow cricket to the T nowadays. But MS Dhoni kitni dafa dekha hai maine. It was such a beautiful story. And
beautiful.
Yeah. And जब MS Dhoni उससे बात कर रहे थे इंटरव्यू में, like this guy was asking him questions, right? Sushant is asking him questions कि, you know, आपको ये फीलिंग्स क्या हो रहे थे, क्योंकि he has to act, right? तो यार मेरे में कौन सा भी फीलिंग्स नहीं था यार, तू क्या इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहा है मुझे? Because MS Dhoni was saying that he goes, ये बंदा, he wanted to get into my skin.
That's what
to
it
do the role.
was, and I saw a video where it was just a small clip where he tells MS Dhoni to walk, and
Okay.
MS Dhoni walks, and then he follows him,
Okay.
and just to make sure, you know, he
even
exactly has the
walked
same gait
like
as
him?
Yes,
That's
yes.
amazing. So we actually, MS Dhoni, when we talk about it, there's some wonderful, wonderful clips of his acting, and definitely I think we all should be looking at those clips. Lovely clips of MS Dhoni. So let's all watch it. What do you say?
Sure.
Sushant had so many different roles, like a detective as well. Detective Bhimkesh Bakshi.
Yes.
And then Rabta too. He
was
Yeah.
good too in Rabta.
Yeah.
And but I liked his Kedarnath. I think that was
Oh,
the
yes.
best movie. Jahan pe, you will see Sushant Singh as Pittu. And can you imagine wo kitna fitness freak tha ki he had like really, he was so strong that he could carry all the way from mountain all the way down and stuff like
and
that.
yeah, he was carrying people, right?
Yeah, and you could see on his face also, he didn't have
Yeah.
even that extra, kind
Yeah.
of tiredness or grin that, oh my God,
Yeah.
am I carrying this kind of weight?
I know, yeah, no, I think he got into fitness. Oh my God, he got to be a hot guy. He got to be a hot guy. And Kedarnath was, I think, the debut for Sarah, right?
She was a
Ali Khan,
debutant in
and
that.
that was an amazing movie for her to debut.
Yes.
And beautiful sceneries. And you being a Kashmiri,
Yes.
you must have loved the sceneries.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Wojo Pahadi, my God, it was so beautiful. Right?
It was beautiful. It was based on the Uttarakhand floods.
Yes,
That's what the
which
movie
is a
was,
real thing
It was
that
a real
happened.
movie.
Yeah.
And it was really an amazing movie to watch, and watch him
Yes.
as a main lead in the movie. It
Yeah.
was really nice.
And it was a interesting story as well, right?
It was based on the real story.
Yeah. So you know what? As we keep looking at all the movies that he's done, what I realize about him is that he actually took his time to decide which movies he wanted to be. He's a smart guy.
Absolutely. I think he had accomplished a lot.
Yeah.
When it comes to academic things, he's not like most of them probably haven't done that much what he had, you know. He wanted to be an astronaut. He had done engineering or something like that.
Yeah, he had done an engineering course. Yeah,
and
yeah.
he was into other, science things and stuff like that. So
Yeah.
he was pretty bright.
A very, very bright guy. And actually, I think Sarah was saying even in some interviews that he made her feel so comfortable. He made her feel so comfortable. Now he's like, I've done this. Now I'm going to teach you how to do it. So it was
I
cute.
read it actually yesterday only somewhere. They were saying that in this movie Kedarnath, because Sarah was a debutante there, and he felt that she was getting more love.
Of course.
And everybody
Yeah.
was just trying to be looking at Sarah, what she is doing, how
I
she is
know.
doing, and everything
Right.
else. But I think Sushant was amazing.
So Pia, talking about their chemistry, Sarah as well as Sushant, there's like some beautiful scenes in this movie in Kedarnath. I think we all should relive those beautiful memories in Uttarakhand. So let's look at this beautiful song.
इन वादियों में टकरा चुके हैं हमसे मुसाफिर यूं तो कहीं दिल ना लगाया हमने किसी से किस्से सुने हैं यूं तो कहीं ऐसे तुम मिले हो ऐसे तुम मिले हो जैसे मिल रही हो इत्र से हवा काफिराना सा है इश्क है या क्या है ऐसे तुम मिले हो ऐसे तुम मिले हो जैसे मिल रही हो इत्र से हवा काफिराना सा है इश्क है या क्या है बोली तुम्हारी कुछ इस तरह गूंजती है कानों से मेरे होते हुए वो दिल का पता ढूंढती है वादियों में जैसे मिल रहा हो कोई जायका। काफिराना सा है इश्क है या क्या है, ऐसे तुम मिले हो, ऐसे तुम मिले हो जैसे मिल रही हो इत्र से हवा। काफिराना सा है इश्क है या क्या है।
So Pia, one movie everybody's going to remember of Sushant is Chichore.
Yes.
Chichore was amazing acting as usual, right? He's been showing that he was like amazing actor, and he had two roles, like a younger role and an elderly person's
And
role.
I would say the saddest part is, like, you know, it was before his demise, you know, that movie came out and everything. And it had deep meaning to it.
Yeah, it did. It had a deep meaning. His son had attempted suicide in that movie. And it was really nice for us to see how he gets him out of that funk, right? He goes through the whole situation with him, brings his friends and says, hey, mera life bhi theek nahi tha yaar, but you know, I found ways to be fine. And it was like amazing to show that strength, the positive message that we got in that movie. And the
Dialogues were really amazing. A lot of them were amazing. Like, I would say at least 2-3 dialogues which really had a deep meaning to it. You know, one was about that, you know, when he was alongside his son in the hospital. When he was in the bed, and then he tells him that, you know, ye success, something like that.
तुम्हारी result जो है ना, school का result जो है, that is not going to decide if you're a loser or not.
Yes.
तुम्हारी कोशिश.
Exactly.
तुम्हारी कोशिश करने वाली है, that is going to be deciding whether you're a loser or not. That means keep always trying that, right? Trying, the कोशिश तो करनी है. And the other one I loved was success, right? When he defines success, he goes, success के बाद plan तो होती है, you know, success के बाद क्या करना है वो तो plan होती है, पर failure के बाद क्या plan है? It was lovely. It was some of those real nice dialogues.
Very inspiring dialogues.
Yeah. And I think we definitely are going to roll into some beautiful dialogues from this movie. And I know every one of you loved Chichore. So I think we have to definitely relive that memory. What do you say?
Absolutely. We should definitely, you know, just check them out one more time.
हम सब गलत कर रहे हैं भाई। सक्सेस के बाद का प्लान सबके पास है, लेकिन अगर गलती से फेल हो गए तो फेलियर से कैसे डील करना है, कोई बात ही नहीं करना चाहता। बेटा, तुम्हारा रिजल्ट डिसाइड नहीं करता है कि तुम लूजर हो कि नहीं, तुम्हारी कोशिश डिसाइड करती है। पर कोशिश तो आपने बहुत करी ना बेटा। हाँ,
दोस्तों, जिंदगी छोटी है.
All of us should stay happy and stay positive.